President Trump has lit a fuse under the market with recent policy moves around US defense spending and border security. This defense stock just picked up multiple analyst upgrades this week. When I first called this stock out late last year, it was just a penny stock. Fast forward to today, and it's one of the most actively traded names in the entire market. Today, we're breaking down Ondas Holdings. The company has just announced a massive backlog. Preliminary 2025 revenue is nearly 50% higher than expectations, and management has just raised guidance for 2026. If you're not familiar with this stock yet, make sure to stick around until the end because this is one of the ones I'm most bullish on this year. This company sits right at the intersection of defense spending, autonomous drones, and asymmetric warfare. Now, I'll try to keep this intro short. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. But if you enjoyed this video, then smash the like and help me get to my target of 500 likes on this video. It really helps support the channel. If you're new here, subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Now let's get straight into it. Ondas Holdings is a leading provider of technology platforms that digitize industrial and government operations. They work with blue chip customers and partners, and Ondas is now at an inflection point in revenue growth. Their subsidiary companies work across many industries, as we can see here, through drones and AI operations, and their subsidiaries include Ondas Networks, American Robotics, Air Robotics, Iron Drone, and Ardina. These companies have offices in the US and Israel. Now, before I look at the investors' presentation, President Trump has proposed a dramatic increase in US defense spending, calling for a $1.5 trillion military budget for 2027, significantly higher than the $900 billion approved for 2026. And when we couple this with the fact that the US is shifting spending towards unmanned systems, then this could be huge for the drone market. And this has led to some analysts calling 2026 the year of the drones. Looking at the recent investors presentation, we can see that Ondas have a leadership team with decades of experience in this field. And the company is positioned for success as they execute on their growth plans. I like the fact that they say here that they are delivering on the plan that they said that they would execute, because this company has really ramped up in the second half of 2025 and has continued this momentum into 2026. Ondas have scaled up operations over the year, and we can see their subsidiaries here, such as American Robotics, Iron Drone, and Rift Dynamics. The company's vision is to shape the future of defense and security, building the infrastructure of resilience and intelligence that governments and industries trust to protect and perform. The company now has a global position, expanding the reach to Tier 1 defense and security agencies across 25 countries. There is an M&A pipeline of more than 20, and they have over $500 million of potential revenue in the pipeline, with 2026 set to see record revenue growth. Ondas stock has been on fire over the past 6 months. It's up more than 460%. But here's the part most people are completely missing. This move isn't driven by hype or social media. It's being driven by policy, by contracts, and by institutional money stepping in. So what do analysts think of Ondas Holdings? First of all, we've had a bunch of new analyst revisions on Ondas stock this week. This is now covered by 8 Wall Street analysts who have given a consensus price target of $17. There is 1 sell, 1 hold, and 6 buy ratings, with price targets ranging from as low as $10 up to as high as $25. Looking here, we can see that analysts are more bullish than ever on this stock, and the consensus price target has been going up along with the share price for the past few months. In the past few days, we have had no less than 6 Wall Street analysts boosting their targets for ONDS stock. The lowest target set this week is $16, which is about 35% upside, while the highest target of $25 would be 110% above the current price, but the average is about 18. And this comes on the back of the latest company news. Just a few days ago, Ondas held their Investor Day, where the company announced preliminary financial results for 2025 and revenue targets for 2026. Ondas expects to report revenue of $27 to $29 million for the quarter ended December 31st, 51% higher than the prior Q4 2025 revenue target. While full year 2025 expected revenue is between $47 and $49.6 million, which is 23% higher than the prior full-year revenue target. So this is fantastic, and this is one of the reasons why Wall Street analysts have jumped in with revised price targets. Additionally, Ondas' estimated backlog is 65 million as of December 31st, a 180% increase from 23.3 million on November 13th. So that's in the space of just 6 or 7 weeks. Their backlog has gone from 23 up to 65 million. And Ondas has revised its 2026 revenue target to a range of 170 to 180 million, 25% higher than the previous target of 140. The company's pro forma cash balance exceeds $1.5 billion as of December 31st, adjusted for the company's recent offering of approximately $1 million. And that is this filing here that closed back on January 12th. I talked about this in my last Ondas video earlier this month. Each share of common stock and warrant was sold together at a combined offering price of $16.45, a premium of approximately 17% to Ondas' closing price on January 8th, and about 35% above today's price. But here's the thing. Each warrant is exercisable immediately and will expire 7 days from the date of issuance, but each common stock warrant has an exercise price of $28 per share. Today, the stock is trading at just above $12, so you can do the math on that one. Now, the stock did drop about 15% at the end of the week, and that is largely thanks to this. The company filed paperwork for a potential resale of 1.62 million shares tied to the Century CS acquisition. And Ondas also disclosed an $8.4 million preferred stock financing at its Ondas Networks unit. In other news, Rift Dynamics just announced that they have received an order for 2,500 Wasp one-way attack drones from American Robotics Ondas Inc. This order allows stress testing a China-free, NDAA-compliant, FCC-compliant supply chain with meaningful volumes that reflect real-world scale and operational demand. So big things are happening right now for Ondas. So this is a very interesting article. One stock I'd buy before AeroVironment in 2026. Ondas is a small drone maker that is growing at a much faster rate. As they secure more government contracts and boost annual recurring revenue, it should continue to outperform the S&P 500. Ondas is also using acquisitions to gain market share, but its status as a smaller drone maker plus its 2026 forecast make it a compelling long-term pick. But Ondas is winning big contracts that can translate into lucrative recurring revenue. Each time Ondas signs a big multi-year contract, it gets annual recurring revenue and boosts the demand for its services. The company has already made several deals in Europe, including an $8.2 million order for an international airport, and the order includes multiple Iron Drone counter-drone systems. But Europe isn't the only continent where Ondas is expanding its market share. The company also serves US customers and wrapped up 2025 by securing $10 million in new orders across its autonomous systems portfolio. The company's autonomous aerial and ground robot intelligence portfolio can turn it into a top-tier defense stock, and their 2026 guidance highlights the growth potential. Earlier this month, Ondas was listed as one of the 7 best drone stocks to buy in 2026 by usnews.com. This list also includes established stocks such as L3 Harris Technology, Rocket Lab Corp, ticker symbol RKLB, and Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS. So Ondas is one of the smaller companies on the list. But as they have said here, the company has notched triple-digit sales growth in the past 3 quarters, and analysts expect those levels to continue into this year. As a small company, it doesn't have a wide following on Wall Street, but among 8 analysts on TipRanks, the consensus view is strong buy. And as we've already seen, these analysts have been boosting their targets since this article was written earlier this month. So guys, what do you think of Ondas Holdings? This isn't a hype trade, this is a policy-driven, revenue-backed setup that most people are still sleeping on. I'll continue tracking this one as new contracts, earnings updates and guidance come out, And I'll call it out when the story changes, not after the move is already over. If you want early breakdowns like this before they go mainstream, then hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this isn't the only stock setting up like this right now. If you found any value in this video, then drop a like. It tells the algorithm to push this to more investors who actually care about fundamentals. But remember that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. And let me know in the comments whether you're watching Ondas, you're already in it, or you're still on the fence. I read every comment and I reply to most. So make sure to check out some of my other videos too, such as the ones on screen now, and I'll catch you in the next one.